So today we are going to be doing the first lesson of Codecademy Python syntax. So it's lesson 1 out of 14. So Codecademy basic is going this course is going to help you learn Python, and like it's going to be really fun with all these little commands. You can use like this, so you can use print hello world, this and that, but let's read this article. So Python syntax: hello world. If programming is the act of teaching a computer to have a conversation with the user, it would be most useful to first teach a computer how to speak. In Python, this is accomplished with the print statement, print hello world. So this is the script, and what we're going to do is you're going to have to write down print, then space, and then hold the shift button. I mean, you don't have to. So all you have to do is just put one bracket, random bracket. It doesn't have to be left or right, because as you can see right over here, it puts both brackets for me. So then inside the bracket I write hello. Wait. That's one thing. You make sure you always put those speech marks. It's important, or the command will fail. Now why is it not working? Okay, wait. So print, then spacebar, that hello comma world, and make sure you put the exclamation mark. Now when you press run, or you can do control enter, so I pressed run, hello world. Okay, this is what the computer says. So this is the computer, and then what I can do next is I can go here and then start another article. So then I go print brackets, then water dash see, look, you always need to put the things, these quotation marks. So water, and you can always you can easily fail the kind of, the writing. So water there is not a drop of water there, and then Niagara. Okay, I'm spelling wrong. So you don't actually have to write it down. All you can do is you can also take out the speech marks, and you can control up to where you're going to do it. So then you can do this, control C, and then control V, just copy and paste, and then what you can do is run. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what is the problem. Okay, so this is going to be the error, but I think, yeah, you're gonna have to make sure to type it out, or then the code is going to not accept it. So water, make sure the speech marks, water, there is not a drop of water there, and wait, spelling incorrect. were Niagara, but a cataract of sand. I don't know why I'm writing this down. It's not like I'm in online class right now, but my shoulder's aching now. Would you travel your 1,000 miles? 1,000. No, that's not how you spell 1,000. I'm a bad touch typer. 1,000 miles to see it, and then ding. Okay. Wait, what? What? Okay. I'm just gonna put it there and then run. So make sure you do the code correctly. As you can see, I was supposed to make sure there's no space there, but then there was. So you're supposed to make sure the code is as same as this thing. So here's the out. This is the input, this is the output. That's pretty easy. A print statement is the easiest way to get your Python program to communicate with you. Being able to command this communication will be one of the most valuable tools in your programming toolbox. Using a print statement, output a message of your choosing to the terminal. So the community forums are over here. So here are just like the small questions you can get asked, like you can answer using your like everyday brain. Like you don't have to go on Google and like research about it. It's just one of those like thinking questions. It's like rhetorical questions, yeah. You just have to think about these, and it kind of makes you a better coder. So as you can see this, now we can go next. Okay, now let's read this. Print statements. There are two different Python versions. Both Python 2 and Python 3 are used throughout the globe. The most significant difference between the two is how you write a print statement. In Python 3, print has parentheses. Print hello world. So I'll just write down print, then this, then that, then hello world, and then ding dong. Okay, so now I go into the second part. Okay, print ding dong. Okay, no, not ding dong, ding dong. Okay, deep into the distant woodlands, a mazy woodlands wins a a mazy way reaching to overlapping spurs of mountains, bathed in the hillside blue. And then wait, spelled that wrong. Okay, now all you do is just press 1, hello world, deep into the input outputs. So, yep, this is input and this is the output. Okay, why do I have to say that again like 100 times? Oh yeah, I never knew you could minimize that. Wait, so yeah, so you can do that, but then just do like that. Yeah, that's enough. So this is the input. This is the input. This is our output. Now, in this course, we will be using Python 2. If you go on to write Python 3, it will be useful to know this key difference. Instructions. So we we succeeded to print something using Python 3 syntax. Now, community forums, here are the questions. Why would we use Python 2 or 3? What is a statement? Why are special characters not accepted? Okay, now let's go to next. Now, this is the last lecture. Kind of lesson. Yeah. When printing things in Python, when printing things and strings, when printing things in Python, we are supplying a textbook that we want to be printed. Text in Python is considered a specific type of data called a string. A string so named because they are a series of letters, numbers, or symbols connected in order, as if threaded together by strings. Strings can be defined in different ways. Print. This is a good string. So let's print this. Print that this is a good string. Now, excuse me, what the ding, and then dong. Okay, now we're going to do print ding dong. You can use, let me just close the door for a sec. Okay, now that's everything closed. So let's keep on typing. You can use single quotes or double quotes for a string, and then just press run. This is the input, this is the output. Did you oh no. Wait. Okay, wait. So I did something wrong over here. Wait, you know what? Okay, so I'm just gonna Control C this, and then rub this sword out, and then print, then this, then that, and then hello, my name is Saad. Okay, we're going to do that. Then oops, my name is Saad. Okay, but we're not gonna write that down there. So ding, no, this is okay. This is stupid. Very stupid. Okay. How do I open my files? I don't know, but let's just continue. Ding dong. Shift that, and then control. No. I keep on mixing up the control, like, and then this. Okay, print. This is a good string. That's done. Print. You Control V, Control V. Okay. What? Okay, wait. That's not something it's supposed to do that. Then wait. Wait, yeah, that's done. Run. Yay. Oh yeah, we added money. Yes. That's one thing you can do before each task. Just peek down there to see if you did it. Then just make sure you complete that task, because if you don't, that's gonna kind of fail your coding career. That's not gonna be good. Yeah, like it's not gonna help you learn coding. So above we printed two things that are strings and then attempted to print two things that are not strings. While double quotes, so like these two quotation marks and single quotes, one quotation mark are both acceptable ways to define a string. A string needs to be opened and closed by the same type of quote mark. So, for example, what it's trying to say is that to make this quotation, to like make sure the thing, it kind of like doesn't, the code, it like the string, it doesn't fail. You need to make sure that one quotation mark starts it and one quotation mark ends it. But that's just an example, so you can do two quotation mark starts it and two quotation mark ends it. But you can't do one quotation mark starts it and two quotation mark end it. That is not gonna be good. So we can combine multiple strings using plus, like so. So for example, I can do this. So what I can do right here is I can do plus. Wait, what did I just make it closer or something? Wait. Control minus. Yeah, there we go. So shift plus, then control V. You can, but you have to make sure that so I'm just going to write down I am a good boy, but for real I'm not. Really bad boy. Okay, so ding dong, and then shift ding, shift dong, and then I am a good boy. I am a good boy. So as you can see right here, I just will press run, and then as you can see right here, it will connect the string together. It will connect both statements together. Now, what is questions? What is a block of code? What is an interpreted language? But is there any reason to use double or single quotes? Okay, now this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for listening.